After harvesting, the durian fruits are prepared for safe transport to the processing factory.
Appearing the trucks are really 2,000 pounds and they're warm. The durian fruits arrive at the factory, where the transformation into dried durian begins.
For growing, drying, in order to evaporate, re-stand, and view to Pedria. At the factory, the durian fruits are unloaded and sent for initial inspection.
With only high-quality durian fruits are selected to ensure premium dried durian products.
In the U.S. Durian host, selected durian fruits are carefully washed to remove dirt and impurities.
Next, the durian fruits are opened, exposing the rich and creamy flesh inside.
The fresh durian flesh is arranged neatly for the drying process.
To ensure even drying, the durian flesh is sliced into consistent sizes.
7 or 4 Blasity glasses by the M-tape, dependability glass chambers and chambers. The sliced durian fruits are placed into advanced drying chambers.
Using controlled heat and airflow, moisture is gently removed to create dried durian.
The dried durian is allowed to cool naturally before packaging.
Or sorting machines separate dried durian to ensure consistency.
Each portion of dried durian is accurately weighed. Gram by gram, the scale makes sure nothing is left to guesswork. Packed and sealed, ready to share or savor all to yourself.
The dried durian is sealed in airtight packaging to preserve freshness.
From farm to factory, durian fruits are transformed into delicious dried durian, ready to be enjoyed worldwide.